Here we go. Hey, in this video today, we're going to go underneath this 2021 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition. This vehicle was sold to a customer and they wanted to have us install the factory TRD exhaust system, the dual exhaust system. So as we dive underneath here, you'll see on the left-hand side the dual exhaust coming off the engine on both sides and then sliding alongside the drive shaft there, and then up and over the rear end to the right and out on the left as well, left and right. Now, in addition to the exhaust, we also installed this red TRD stabilizer bar across the back axle to give the rear end of the vehicle a little bit more rigidity and reduce body roll. So this customer did want to invest in the vehicle and customize it a little bit for their own taste. So there's a quick look up underneath on this side. Let's go ahead and then swing around to the back side and take a look at the exhaust. So here it's coming out on the back. You can see we have black tips on both sides, so gloss black painted. And then as we kind of roll underneath the vehicle again, there's the red stabilizer bar attached to the back axle. Here's another look at your black exhaust tip coming out on the driver's side. And then we'll swing around over to the passenger side, give you the similar view over here. Again, the red stabilizer bar, you can see the exhaust coming back just past the spare tire and then back out the passenger side. So that's a true full dual exhaust system. Here's a quick look from the back undercarriage. So a really great exhaust system, and we can install it right at the dealership if you'd like to. Even on a used one, we can put this type of exhaust system. Let's give it a listen. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you'd like us to do an exhaust system for you.